Anticipation is building for the Civil War football game. The huge game between the Beavers and the Ducks will be a battle of epic proportions.
Well, if you think this matchup is just about football, Melanie's telling us to think again. You're here with how the fans are getting into the action. Everybody's asking, what are you doing tomorrow? What's going on with the game? These are the plans being made.
Yeah, everyone has this on their minds, whether you're a Beaver fan or a Duck fan. This build-up is a real deal. And that matchup, of course, between the football teams, that's, of course, taking center stage tomorrow. But the fans are spending the days leading up to the Civil War facing off in the name of Team Pride. From the parking lot to the center of Bridgeport Village, fans showed their true colors at a pep rally, donning face paint on their cheeks, even if they're still a little bit undecided about who they're rooting for. Duck and Beaver fans, you could say they're giddy with excitement. She's doing a little happy dance there. She's getting excited about the Civil War matchup, but nerves are at an all-time high. Just ask some of the youngest of fans.
I'm scared.
You are? Why?
Because the Beavers are, I don't know, a piece of a duck and a piece of butterfly.
A butterfly.
Aww.
Maybe the face painter didn't know how to do the beaver on the side there. But she's representing both teams. The celebration at Bridgeport Village, not the only Civil War face-off happening simultaneously on both campuses. Fans competed in an obstacle course and football toss for bragging rights online. Even with all the other fun between, Civil War matchups with the fans, they know it really comes down to the Civil War on Saturday, the big event, game time. And we've been playing a little bit of football here in the newsroom.
A little bit. And in the studio, too.
They've now banned me from the football toss.
Yeah, we had some fun with it in our last half hour, and I think we almost broke a light, but we didn't, engineers.
We did. Yes. So I see that you don't have a football out here now.
I don't. We may have one at 6:30, so you better stay with us.
Ducks and Beavers have recalled them all from us. Stay with us for our complete coverage of the Civil War game. So first, we're live in Corvallis with the Xfinity Civil War preview special. That's tonight at 6:30. Then tomorrow, you can watch the game live right here on K2. That's at 12:30. And certainly catch the Xfinity post-game show immediately after the game. I mean, this is as big in your house as anywhere else. You guys
absolutely.
Plans to watch every moment.
The whole family is going to be geared up watching the game.
They don't mess around.
Yes, not at all.